Alright guys, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about turning your Facebook friend request into followers, which means that when you get any friend request on Facebook, whether it be from your friend or whoever it is, you're not gonna get it as a friend request. It's gonna be your followers. Yes, you can still accept the request and be friends with them, but it is gonna be counted as a follower on your Facebook profile, which means if you have many more friend requests, then you're gonna be having much more followers, which means you can still get famous on Facebook like in YouTube. So let's get right into the video, okay? So guys, before we can do the magic of turning our friend requests into followers in Facebook, let's go to Facebook because that's where it is. And here I have my shortcut, a downside. Like it's not same as you guys, but still it's same because it's all shortcuts. And for the magic, let's go to the 3 lines because that's where it is. And then here you'll find settings and privacy. Tap on settings and search settings. Here you need to type just PUB and you'll get it. Public force. So guys, here I have turned it into public, and this too public. And I hope that most of you are gonna be having it as friends of friends, or things like that, or only me also. And all you need to do is to turn it into public. And here's public post. Who can follow me? Followers see your post in newsfeed. Friends follow you post by default, but you can also allow people who are not your friends to follow your public post. Use this setting to choose who can follow you. So guys, if you do this, that means when you have one more friend request, you're gonna get it as a follower, but your all pending requests are not gonna be accepted as your followers. But to gain followers, you need at least 1 follower. After that, you can turn it on in your profile. Let's go to my profile. This is my profile, guys. Look how handsome I am. Just kidding. Okay, here it is shown followed by 69 people. And I hope that most of you are not gonna get it just after you get a friend request, because let's go to edit public settings. I'm in details for that. And click on edit here. And guys, here's what you see. Right, I have ticked on followed by 69 people, and this is why my followers are being shown on my profile. And most of you are gonna be having like this one because you have not turned it on. Your followers are not gonna be displayed. So to make it displayed, you need to click on it and then click save. Right, and now you're gonna see it like this. Guys, now let me show you an example of someone having hundreds of followers. Like Hamjit Morangtem is my uncle, and he created this Facebook account for my auntie, his sister, like his sister-in-law, and he tapped his name, but she is here. This is my auntie, and here's his husband. And now here you can see she is followed by 450 people, and she's having hundreds of followers on Facebook. She have turned it on, which means that I have turned it on for her, and now her friend requests are all turning into followers. So that's a good example, guys. And this is my uncle Suresh Morangton. He's the close-up picture. Well, God bless him. So guys, now do you know how to become a celebrity on Facebook? Okay, well, if you have learned something very useful from this video, something that you haven't known before, then please hit the like button because it helps me get people like you who doesn't know how to get famous on Facebook or wherever it is. Please tap the little like button, and that means more people are gonna see my videos, and that's a good thing to do because you are also supporting people. You're also helping people to get famous. And please subscribe to my channel, right guys? Whenever I upload any videos, any good videos, any high quality, high definition videos like this one, like this video that you're watching, you're gonna get notifications. And for that, just turn on the notification bell. And thank you.